Hey y'all, hey, it is your homegirl Shay. Happy to be back with you all. So glad that you are here. If you clicked on that video, that means you want to learn steps for Footloose. Now, there are a lot of variations of this dance, so I am going to walk you through the version that I most commonly teach. If you are new here, my name is Shay, and I got steps. By the end of this, you will too. Red stands for right so that you can follow along. I am going to turn around so that I am facing the same direction as you every step of the way. Now, that being said, I want to ask you, do me a few things because I'm going to teach you at a pace that does not match the tempo of the song. Make sure you listen to the original version of Footloose a few times so that you can just get that tempo in your head. But as for now, you came here to dance, so let's just go ahead and turn around and get this party started. This is going to be a fun one. All right, very good. The first two moves are pretty easy to get to, but just in case you're new, beginner level friendly, we are going to start with a grapevine on our right, and that's going to be our first 8 count. We'll repeat it on our left. Regular grapevine is going to step, behind, step, but we're going to end that grapevine on a heel, okay? And we're going to do that to the left. Step, behind, step, heel. That's your first 8 count. Let's go ahead and do that together, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel free to pause here and practice. Let's go ahead and add on the second part because, again, I think this will be pretty easy for you to get through, and I really want to get to the footwork, okay? So after our grapevine, it's going to be a traditional K step. Just imagine a K, it's on the floor. You're going to step out with your right to the top of that K, bring your left together, bring it back to the middle, bring your right together as follow. Step to the end of that K, bring your left together, and we'll step back in the middle. That count is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back 7, 8. That is your K step. So let's practice the K step and then put the two first moves together, okay? On my 8, K step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now let's put it together with our grapevine right and left. So on our 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's the good news. You are halfway through the dance. Okay, now on this part, I'm going to ask you to watch my feet. This particular part of the dance is going to be two heel clicks. Your feet are here, and they're going to go out, in, in. That's your 1, 2. We're going to do 2 heel taps. 1, 2, 2 toe taps. 1, 2. All together, that move will look like click, click, heel, heel, toe, toe. Your count for that is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, like I said, the tempo to this song is much faster, so make sure you practice along with the music. Almost to tempo, let's just do that footwork part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Pause here if you need to. Let's put those first 3 moves together. So from the top, our grapevine, and then our K step into that first part of the footwork. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How'd you do? Very good. Okay, let me get to the last footwork part. And as I break it down, we will come back and walk through it together. So don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. So we ended with 2 heel clicks, right? Heel, heel, toe, toe. The second part of our footwork are going to be heel hops. And then I'm going to show you what to do after that. For now, I want you to practice this move. I'm hopping on my right heel. I'm going to transfer that one back and hop on my left. In real time, it's going to look like hop, 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 hop. Okay? Try that with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Very good. Keep practicing. After those heel hops, we are actually going to do 2 heel taps again. So that move is going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? It's kind of hard to do slow, so that's actually good. We're breaking it down. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the funnest part of the dance, but it's also the part of the dance that normally gets people confused. It got me confused. So I hope this helps. So from here, heel, heel, 2 heels, okay? This part, you're going to come back again on your toe. You're going to take your toe out. You're going to come up on your heel as if you're going to hit the back. And we're going to do a quarter turn to our 9 o'clock wall. So that move is going to be heel, heel, toe back, toe out, flick, and turn. But you're also hitting the back of your heel. You can modify that move and just turn because it is a very fast dance. So let me show you that last part again in real time. I hop, hop, heel, heel, back, out, flick, turn, okay? And I'm at the 9 o'clock wall. It sounds easy, but it may take you a little bit of practice, especially if you're just starting, but don't be discouraged. If you just need to turn, that's perfectly fine too. From here, because you can see a side angle, let's go ahead and turn to this 9 o'clock wall and try our steps together, okay? Remember, red is for right. So from the top, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. K-step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 footwork. Heel, heel, tap, tap, toe, toe hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8. All right, let's do it again here. Now, you should be facing away from me, and I just want you to listen to my voice. I am going to call it a little faster. I'm going to call it by counts. So try to remember the steps. Saying them out loud really helps. We're going to start here from the top with our grapevine. 5, 6, 7, grapevine right, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel split, heel split. Heel, heel, toe, toe, hop, hop, heel, heel, back, out, flick, turn. I hope that helped. From here, a little faster, and this is our last wall, so make sure you click on the dance with me so we can dance this in real time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that concludes your dance for Footloose. Now, I know what you're saying. Oh, that was slow. That's okay. Practice it at this tempo, and then make sure you click on the Dance With Me video and let's at least go through 2 walls. But for now, if you are ever in the Savannah area, please make sure you come and check me out. Come and dance with me. If you are not in the Savannah area, that is okay. Drop a comment, send me a message so I can come and dance with you. Before you go, I need you to do the things that need to be done. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification button so you can know when another tutorial is up. If you don't like this video, go ahead and do the same thing, okay? I appreciate you all for stopping by here. That is Footloose. Can't wait to see you on the dance floor. Shay got steps. Now you do too. I'll see y'all later. Bye.